Catherine.
What?
Guess what?
What is it?
I'm gonna tell ya.
Madonna?
Madonna.
Everything's not focused. Focus! You crap! Focus!
Focus!
I just do this.
Focus.
I took a picture of you. Whoops.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm waving to you guys. I'm slapping myself in the face. I like pie. I like Friends. I'm a penguin. I like cheese, and I like putting makeup on my face. I like my glasses. I like my neck. 3 words to describe me. I would have to say physical. I like boxing. I like boxing my friends. My name's Sarah. I like slapping myself in the face really lightly. And I think pooping my pants is fun.
Hi, my name's Catherine. I like waving to people. My favorite pet's a chinchilla. 3 words to describe me are hot, I guess. Since you're waving, since I'm like using my hands to wave myself. I like shooting targets. I like gathering apples from my apple tree and lifting weights. And fishing with my chopping onions and slapping my shoulders and playing with my hair. Like praying. I like I don't know what that is. I like wearing clothes and twirling my hands in a movement and slapping and cheerleading and
The Macarena
and flying. I like birds.
Gamegasm. Bitchy bitch. I'm running. Another hurricane! Yeah.
Another hurricane on the East Coast.
Hurricane Katya. I love that name.
Oops!